Hello everyone. Today I am going to share a topic about 9 psychological tricks that can help you read people's minds. 1. Body language. Pay attention to nonverbal cues such as gestures, facial expressions, and posture. For instance, crossed arms might indicate anger or defensiveness. 2. Micro-expressions. Learn to recognize micro-expressions, brief facial movements that reveal emotions. Surprise involves raised brows and an open jaw, while fear shows forehead wrinkles and tense mouth muscles. 3. Eye contact. Observe eye contact. Prolonged eye contact can signal interest or attraction, while avoiding eye contact may indicate discomfort or deception. 4. Tone of voice. Listen to how someone speaks. Changes in pitch, volume, or speed can convey emotions or intentions. 5. Context clues. Consider the situation. People's behavior often reflects their mental state. Are they in a stressful meeting or a relaxed social gathering? 6. Empathy. Cultivate empathy. Put yourself in their shoes and imagine their feelings. Empathic accuracy helps you understand others better. 7. Consistency. Look for consistency between verbal and nonverbal cues. If someone says they're fine but their body language suggests otherwise, trust the latter. 8. Intuition. Trust your gut instincts. Sometimes your subconscious mind picks up on subtle cues that your conscious mind misses. 9. Practice. Regularly observe people and practice your mind-reading skills. Over time, you'll become more adept at deciphering their thoughts and emotions. Remember, mind reading isn't an exact science, but these tricks can enhance your understanding of others. Use them wisely and with empathy. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed our YouTube series. See you soon in next video. Till then, bye-bye.